Welcome to this video where we will be discussing 20 yoga meditation techniques for beginners. Meditation is a proven way to reduce stress and improve mental and physical health. But with so many different techniques out there, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. In this video, we'll be discussing the different types of meditation and which techniques are best suited for beginners. Before we get into the specific techniques, let's discuss what meditation is. Meditation is a practice where an individual uses a technique, such as mindfulness, breathing, or visualization, to train attention and awareness, and achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm state. Breathing techniques are a great way to start your meditation practice. They help to calm the mind and bring your focus to the present moment. Some great techniques for beginners include the 4-7-8 breathing technique and the alternate nostril breathing technique. Body scan meditation is a great way to start to become aware of your body and cultivate a sense of relaxation. In this technique, you slowly move your focus through your body, concentrating on every area in turn. This can help to calm a racing mind and bring balance to both the physical and emotional bodies. Mindfulness meditation is a practice where you bring your focus to the present moment. This can be done by focusing on your breath or through a body scan. The goal is to be aware and fully present in the moment, rather than being distracted by thoughts or worries.